Hot sauce art. I used oil pastels on red cardstock to draw this beautiful bottle of hot sauce that actually has sealed in wax over the bottle and has an imprint on top, which is beautiful. I love the artwork here and the flavor, the criminy habanero. I tried to put in all the letters, but it was really hard to get all the words in and all the letters. Look at that beautiful seal. So yeah, I started off with the seal. I wanted both. I know the seal would have been a little harder to do smaller, so I made it larger. Tried to get the shapes. I had flourishes on the side of the D. I had vines, I think, and flowers inside of the letter D, and then even flourishes at the edge of the D on either side. And then it had like a double border on the seal. And the way that it looked on the bottle, it also felt like it was lighter on the left edge, almost like a drier wax on the bottom edge. It was a little bit lighter and grayer, and then on the top it was a bit darker. So I have a number of browns: brown red, brown green, brown yellowy, grayish green, grayish yellow, tan, white, yellow. So I kind of used, I think, 8 different colors where I kept going back and forth, blended it out a bit more, tried to see how much of the paper I wanted to keep. I actually had a red oil pastel or orangey red pastel that was pretty close to the paper color, so I can kind of bring it back if I wanted to. I know there was a lot of raised areas, so I was trying to get the shadows and some of the highlights, and kept on blending it out just to see if that was really making the letter pop out, because it was raised in the wax seal. You'd see that would be the 2 border lines around it, and then it was flat, and then the D was raised, and so were the little flourishes all within the D letter and on the outside. So I kept trying to look at what I was drawing and trying to match that, but at the same time looking back at the drawing and say, okay, where do I need more definition, more highlight? So that's where I ended up. And then yeah, you keep going, you see things, right? You're like, oh, I need more shadow over here, and if I have some color on the seal, I want some color on the drawing right beside it, because they are on the same page, so you want some harmony together. I realized when I was doing the label, it's more of a creamy pinky label, not pure white, and I had to go over all the letters. That color, that white was too bright, and I hadn't figured out where everything was, so I wanted to write the letters on top of the white, and I should have done that from the first place. It was nicer to draw the letters that way. It was still hard to get everything in. It's established in 2013, and it was hard to keep the letters EST, and then it was hard to even do the number 2. And it is criminy habanero, and I tried to put all the letters in. I didn't get in there, and I'm not sure if I'm spelling that correctly, but it's a mushroom and habanero pepper hot sauce, and it's amazing, because I usually put mushrooms in my stir fries and other things I put hot sauces in, so it was nice that it's already in, that flavor is already infused in the hot sauce itself. So yeah, so much fun. I'm going to do more of these. I just love it.